Hey guys! It's almost Halloween and a lot of us have some fun doing the decorations every year. I know it's obviously a tradition to get pumpkins or even different kinds of squash and turn them into jack-o'-lanterns. There's all kinds of cool carvings you can do. But sometimes you can't find pumpkins, or you just don't have time, or maybe you're bored of pumpkins and you just kind of want to try something else. The truth is, pumpkins weren't always the thing that people carved on Halloween. Potatoes were big, and I think that was in Scotland, I heard that. And turnips is the big one that would get, and probably still do get, carved out for Halloween decorations. And, table decor and stuff. So what I decided to do this year was try carving an apple. And just to see if it worked, because apples, we always have apples, and they're really like fall. You know, they fit in with the Thanksgiving, they fit in with autumn. They also, I feel, fit in with like the sort of cooling of the season and Halloween. So I just went at it. You can see in the video, if you have access to the video, go ahead and watch. But if not, you just take an apple. I took a regular skinny sort of emergency candle to put in it at the end, and a paring knife from the kitchen. First thing was to measure the size of the candle at the top of the apple and mark out the size that you need the hole. Take that out first, and don't really do any extra because the apple's it's not that sturdy once you make it thin, so just take enough out to fit the candle. This isn't really possible to make it glow from the inside. You can, but the candle's gonna go out pretty fast. But this is really cool. It's kind of a candle holder jack-o'-lantern. So you sort of take the core out, and that's where the candle will sit, and then you can carve the face. And it's just like carving a pumpkin, where you keep sort of some of the face thin into the pumpkin skin and some with the original skin on. So I made a little cat face. I carved out ears that stick onto the side, and you can fit the candle inside, and it still makes sort of the eyes glow because I made the flesh really thin on the outside of the eyes while keeping the pupils into the red skin. Ditto on the little nose and the mouth. I would have liked it to be a little thinner, but I mean, I can do that again next time. I left little fangs on the kitty face that make it pretty cool, and if you can put it up on something, it's really cute. It's a really cute little decorative thing. And you can do it, I realized as I was looking through my refrigerator, you can do it with all kinds of things. I made a little ghosty face with a piece of celery. I even carved a little skull face on a cute little radish. And I mean, I'm going to do this for the Halloween party coming up. I can have these things all over the table, and at the end, we can just break them up and eat them and use them in the dip. Like a whole little line of ghosty celery men can be part of your dip tray. And the rest of the candle, if they get a bit waxy, it's not a big loss, but they really pump up the atmosphere and make something unique. So, give it a try. Carve your vegetables. See what you can do with them. It's a lot of fun. Happy Halloween!